Hello kids, hope all of you are good. Today your mother teacher topic is Acharya Chanakya was an ancient Indian polymath and who was active as teacher, author and strategist, philosopher, economist, jurist and royal advisor. He is traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, who authored the ancient Indian political treatise and the Arthashastra, a text dated to roughly between the 4th century BC and the 3rd century CE. As such, he considered pioneer of the field of the political science and economics in India, and his work is thought of as the important precursor to classic economics. His work were lost near the end of the Gupta empires in the 6th century CE and not the rediscovered until the early 20th century. Sri Chanakya Niti by Patita Pavan Das Adhikari as well written book on Chanakya Niti that offer much more than it. You can get also a chance to learn many things from S. Hukra and Niti and B. Rahaspati Niti Sastra. This is well explained book that it helps you learn more about life and human behavior. There are some facts about Acharya Kautilya. Number 1. Born in 371 BC, Chanakya has been traditionally identified as Kautilya or Vishnugupta. According to K.C. Ahuja, Vishnugupta was actually a re-editor of the Kautilya original work, and which suggests that Kautilya and Vishnugupta are different people. Number 2. Chanakya dedicated his life to forming the Maurya Empire and guiding its pioneer Chandragupta Maurya and his son Bindusara. Number 3. Chanakya's ambition took flight when he was insulted by the emperor of the Nanda dynasty, who ruled the Magadha kingdom in the India. At this time, Magadha was most prominent empire in the Indian, while other parts were separated states. Taking the insult to his heart, Chanakya became an ally of Chandragupta Maurya, who had been exiled from the Nanda. Number 4. Chanakya helped Chandragupta Maurya form a small army and entered Patliputra, the capital of the Magadha kingdom, and ignited a civil war here using his intelligence network. Chandragupta Maurya actually won over the throne in 322 BC, ending the Nanda dynasty and beginning of the rule of his Maurya dynasty. This dynasty would be in power until 185 BC. Number 5. Arthashastra, a Sanskrit book that means the science of material gain. This is the philosopher guide to running an empire. Although the book was considered to be lost for many centuries, a copy of it, written on palm leaves, was rediscovered in 1904 AD. Number 6. In this book, the scholar writes in detail about diplomacy and war. He takes is extremely practical and unemotional. Number 7. The life of Chanakya has been described in 4 different versions: the Buddhist version, the Jain version, the Kashmiri version, and the Vishakha Sanskrit Mudra Rakshaka version. All 4 versions describe how he was insulted by Nanda emperor and how Chanakya vowed to destroy his thereafter. Number 8. In his book Year of the Guru. Sugata Srinivas Raju described how is an unknown priest donated ancient palm leaf manuscript to the Orient Research Institute in Mysore. Upon examination, these manuscripts turned out to be Chanakya's Arthashastra. So kids, tell me, who was the famous student of Chanakya? Please write in a comment section. Hope you all kids are able to learn and recognize about the Acharya Chanakya. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe my channel and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for support.